My name is Jessie Yao. I'm an alumnus of the Global EMBA program at City University of Hong Kong, and I currently serve as a chairlady of the EMBA Alumni Association. I'm also the president and CEO of Million Jewelry Manufacturing Ltd. In 2024, I was honored with the GBA Outstanding Woman and Entrepreneur Award from the Hong Kong SME Association. I saw the CityUHK Global EMBA program as a valuable opportunity to enhance my leadership skills and bring more innovation into my business, especially during global uncertainty. The program's international perspective and practical learning stood out to me, helping me better understand the global market and explore new business models, which have been essential for maintaining my company's sustainability. After completing the EMBA program, I took greater initiative in innovations, business transformations, and leading my team with more valuable and sustainable mindset. Confidence comes from continuous learning, and the EMBA provided me with the tools and knowledge I needed to adapt to the changes in the traditional industry, such as jewelry manufacturing. I implemented reforms in both technology and human resources, such as diversifying our production plant in different locations, fostering inclusiveness, and embracing various cultures to build a team with strong trust and a sense of belonging. The EMBA is not just a degree, it's a life-changing journey that transforms you into an excellent leader and individual. I'm proud to be part of the CityU Hong Kong EMBA community and grateful for the friendship I have built with the pioneers and leaders from different industries.